So somebody asked me, how do I pick up ducks? Well, I've done this for probably 11 years. So some of them are older, some of them are younger, and it's like once they kind of get an idea for you and you start to, you don't necessarily know them because there's a lot of them. Like somebody said, don't you name them all? It's like, okay, goose, duck. No, that's my hand, guys. Goose, goose, another goose. That's still my hand. Ow. So it kind of hurts, but like they, watch out. Here you go. So there you go. Sometimes you got to move them around. It's like a mosh pit, kind of. Like they're all trying to, watch out. Let the one free. Come on. No, that's still my hand. That's still my hand. You just got to, ow. Ow. Just got to have tough skin, right? Okay. All right. That's a good goose. And that's a good goose. And that's a, be nice to the, hey, be nice to the ducks. Little duck in there hiding. Ow. And they try to eat you. So you just have to, ow. You just have to get used to them biting you sometimes. So yeah, that's kind of a thing. So there's probably a 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. See this one? You just come up and bloop, and then now I have a duck in my hand. There you go. Yeah. There's 25, maybe 30 geese here. I can't, the ducks are smaller, tighter together, probably 50. Probably 50 ducks. Maybe 40. I don't know. There's some over there too, so. And then these ones are keeping watch, right? And that's a goose right there. This one. Hi. Hi. They're busy. Yep. Okay, bye.